Hi everyone, this is Kang, and let's talk about collections. You guys all know that I have been collecting Gunplas for a couple of years and I have tons of Gunplas already, but I'm kind of thinking of switching to something really cute because when it comes to Gunplas, it takes too much time to build. I'm thinking of something that you just buy, get it, and like display it on your counter or something and just stare at it like, oh, it's just so cute. Okay, so I've been thinking of collecting Funko Pops, like pop vinyls, and I found this store called Bully Boy Collectibles. And if you're looking for the rare ones, like pop vinyls that are exclusive only for like conventions or something, you can find it there. Bully Boy Collectibles. Literally the rare ones and the exclusive ones, I've seen it there. Like I haven't seen it before in other stores because I've been seeing Funko Pops everywhere. Yes, but the rare ones are there, and I'm just so happy that I found the store. And if you want to check out what they offer, you can follow them on their Facebook page, and if you do have time, you can drop by their physical store at Greenhills Shoppesville. Okay, so before anything else, you saw that I've been playing music and dancing all over the dance floor before we start the video because Bully Boy Collectibles sent over this Nsync Funko Pops for me to unbox. Look at that. Hold on. They're not yet complete. We have here Chazes, Justine Timberlake, my favorite Kirkpatrick, and Space and Joey Fatone, whatever you call it, Fatone or Fatone, and Nsync is here. Okay, so let's just talk about this rock pop vinyl. In a while, let's open it one by one. Okay, so let's start off with my favorite Kirkpatrick. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, let's open it for you guys. There you go. Be careful because I'm gonna put it back on the box later. Okay, as you can see, all the Nsync Pops are like the first ever early stage of Nsync. This is like around the No Strings Attached era, if you know that album. Okay, so Chris has this really nice, oh look at that, dreadlocks hair with blonde accent and black base that is tied, if you can see the ponytail of it there, tied dreadlocks hair. And look at those distinct brows he have there. What's this? Oh, let's remove this from his old style over the head lapel mic so that they can sing. So cute, right? And aside from that, I noticed that he's wearing this number 7 jersey with orange details on the side, and his armbands in both arms, these baggy white pants, and shoes that is like super white. There you go. So this is Chris Kirkpatrick. Let's move on to the next member. Next is Space. Okay, that's some really yellow jacket. Anyway, let's open it now. Okay, so this is Land Space, classic lands with blonde worship hair and matching bright yellow jacket and shoes. Can you see that? Oh, I think he's wearing a tee that has like black lining over there. Oh, it's a hoodie. It's a hoodie. Wow, look at that detail. It's like ombre blonde to darker blonde hair. And the mic. And that's it for Land Space. So nice. It looks so nice. Next member. Okay, let's head over to Joey Fatone. Fatone? I'm not sure. Okay. Look at that vibrant red hair. And his overalls. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Hold on. Let's move it here. Okay, so I'm seeing his beard. It's so cute. If you can see that. Oh, there. And his vibrant hair. Spiky hair with his mic as well and headset. And this overall is so perfect. I really love it. Well, that's Joey Fatone. So nice, right? I like how the hair matches this outfit. Oh, he has like two earrings here, circular earrings, and it's so nice. Look at that. Okay, next member. I think I'll go with Chazes first. Okay. So simple yet still cute. Okay, so I'm seeing highlights on his hair, brown and blonde highlights over there in the front brush up section. There's no highlights over here with his headphones and muscle cut shirt and track pants. Really simple, but look at that. It really looks like Chazes. Okay, the last member, last but not the least, Justine Timberlake, the uber so old-fashioned Justine Timberlake. He doesn't look like this anymore. But let's open it now. Okay, I'm sure that this is like the era of no strings attached. Same hair, big curly blonde hair, and matching with his blue vest with orange highlights and orange track pants with 3/4 white 3/4 and shoes. And look at that detail. He has like a watch and a stud there and his chains. Okay. Well, this is Justine Timberlake. Wait, I'm gonna show you all the pops that I have been unboxed. That I have unboxed for you guys. There you go. Well, that's the Nsync Pop. Oh yeah, it looks really nice. Well, that's my unboxing of this Nsync Pop vinyls, Funko Pops, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Till next time.